How to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Klaviyo in Shopify. So let's get started. So what you need to do is first open up your Shopify. So you have a Shopify store, right? So for email marketing, we want to add Klaviyo. Now, Klaviyo is an email marketing and SMS platform. You can go to klaviyo.com and you will have to sign up for Klaviyo first. Now, signing up for Klaviyo is really easy, or you can also log in. I already have an account on Klaviyo, so I can just log in with my email address or my password. So if you're new to this, then you can sign up for Klaviyo with your email address. You have to add your password, company name, company website, phone number, and then you can just sign up. If you have a store, then you can also add your store here. Once you create an account, you have a Klaviyo account where you can create email and SMS marketing campaigns. Now, let me show you how to set it up on Shopify. So on Shopify, what you can do is you can simply go to marketing right here, this marketing option that we have. And in marketing, what I want you to do is you will find the marketing apps, click on view more apps, and it will open up the marketing for you. So it will open up the Shopify app store for you. Here we can find different integrations that we can add to our Shopify. So what I want you to do is search for Klaviyo here. Klaviyo, there it is. So these are our results, and you can see right here, Klaviyo. This one is email marketing and SMS. This is the one that we just created an account on, right? Now, what you have to do is click on add application. You have to choose an account. Now you can see our Shopify account and Klaviyo. Click on install app, and there you go. You just need to sign in or sign up. So what you can do is you can just click on log in, because we already created an account on Klaviyo, right? So now you can just sign into your Klaviyo and it will be connected to your Shopify store. And you can do email and SMS marketing really easily. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to add Klaviyo to your Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.